Globalization is already happening right now. And we, in the Philippine Military Academy, our premier military institution, cannot afford to ignore. The traditional methods of teaching and learning are things of the past, and we must start to embrace an outcome-based learning to prepare and equip our cadets and even our student officers to a lifelong learning. My beloved cadets, you are the exemplars of courage, honor, integrity, selfless service, excellence, and loyalty. You have a proud legacy behind you here at the Philippine Military Academy. Your generation must continue to firmly anchor your honor and service reputation to the ideals of courage, integrity, and loyalty. Ideals that have been forever tattooed in our souls. My dear cadets, draw inspiration from the love of your families. Likewise, derive inspiration from the action of our hero cavaliers. Be inspired by their sacrifices, their willingness to die, so that generations will continue to see that this country remains free. We must never let that end. Thank you for the honors that you bestowed upon us. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.